Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your home with Ring beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by unboxing your Ring device and all its components. Locate the mounting tools included in the package. Choose the ideal location for your Ring camera or doorbell. Make sure the spot has a clear view of your entryway and Wi-Fi signal. Using the included template, mark the drill points on the wall. Drill holes at the marked points for installation. Attach the mounting bracket securely to the wall. Connect your Ring device to the mounting bracket. Next, download the Ring app from your device's app store. Open the app and create a new account if you don't have one. Follow the prompts to set up your device in the app. Ensure your smartphone is connected to Wi-Fi during setup. Scan the QR code on the Ring device as instructed by the app. Once the device is recognized, follow the on-screen instructions to connect it to your Wi-Fi. Calibrate the motion settings according to your preferences. Customize any additional settings in the app, such as notifications and sharing options. To enhance security, consider adding more Ring devices, like floodlights or security sensors. Regularly check for software updates through the app to keep your device running smoothly. Familiarize yourself with the live view feature for real-time monitoring. Lastly, integrate your Ring system with any existing smart home devices. By following these steps, you can increase your home's security with Ring effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.